Hey friends, thank you so much for tuning into this video. It is now time for me to remove my press-on nails, and I want to show you how I do it without soaking or peeling them off and tugging my nails off of my nail bed. So stay tuned. I am going to be using this Beauty Secrets nail file. It's a 100-180 grit file. I purchased this at Sally Beauty. You can use any nail file. And see, I have one nail off and it did not damage my nail bed. The press-on nails that I have, and most of them come like this, they have a gel-like finish to them. And the key here is to take away as much of the top coat of the press-on nail as possible by filing it away. And just trying to get it dull. If you see any traces of the shine, keep filing. And these are press-on nails, so I'm not worried about the filing messing up my nail bed. I am going to use a 100% pure acetone nail polish remover. I purchased this one at Walmart. You can get this anywhere. And I am going to just add that to a cotton ball. I try to get as much in the cotton ball as possible, and I simply wipe away the nail. Yes, I am going to wipe away the nail. It's almost like it melts. This is such a very simple process, and talk about preserving your nail bed. Now, when I get most of it off, I just check the nail to make sure that I filed away as much of the press-on nail as possible. And on this particular nail, I noticed that, there's still some polish on there. So that lets me know that that stubborn gel polish is still there. So I just lightly file away any traces of that gel polish. Now, because my natural bed is exposed, I am going to make sure that I'm not going to use a very firm hold when I'm filing. And I just use the cotton ball to wipe away the excess. It is so simple. So can you see the difference? The pointer finger is the nail as is, and then with me filing down the middle finger, it's nice and dull. So when it's like that, all I have to do now is just use the acetone and cotton ball and just wipe away the nail. A few strokes, and I do add a little pressure, but nothing that will make my nails hurt. And that is it. That is simply it. Friends, if you are into press-on nails, let me know if this step will be one that you would consider in removing your press-on nails. Now, if you have nails that are very decorative and you paid a lot of money for them and you want to use them multiple times, this is definitely a step that you would not want to take. But if you don't care about them, you just have the cheap nails, definitely give this a thought. Let me know down in the comment area if this tutorial helped you and if this is something that you would do in the near future. Please like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Click the notification bell, and until next time, have a great day, friends. Bye.